This initial solution will show you how to find email address on Twitter. Method 1. Check their Twitter profile. To find someone's email address on Twitter, you can first check their Twitter profile since they may have included how to contact them on their own tweets. You can also their Twitter profile bio area where they typically include a link for how to get in touch with them via email and or social networks. Many people put their professional email addresses for those who want to reach out to them for business purposes. Method 2. Use email finder tools. Use email finder tools. Swordfish Chrome extension is one of the best Chrome extensions that you can use to get an email on Twitter. It also helps you find, call, cell phone numbers and other contact information from various sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, GitHub, Stack Overflow, and etc. Here's the steps that you can follow to use swordfish.ai on Twitter. Step 1. Go to Chrome Web Store and search for the Swordfish Chrome extension. Step 2. Install the extension by clicking on the Add to Chrome button. Step 3. Go to the Twitter profile on the person you want to get an email. Step 4. Click on the Swordfish Chrome extension. Step 5. Done. Swordfish will gather the Twitter profile information and give you the accurate email address and other information that is scrapped. Method 3. Check their website. You will find the person's website or at least the website of their company. Check out the About Us page and Contact Us page of their websites. If a personal or portfolio website is available, then you will surely find their official email address on their website. So follow these 3 methods to find email address on Twitter. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.